This is Suman Dev from Be Grounded. Today we are here with another topic. First, see this picture. So, whenever you see this picture, what comes to your mind? Is this some kind of a video game simulation, or is this some kind of a AI technology image? Well, if I tell you that it is none of those, but a rare rainy day incident happened on 30th June in Alberta, Canada area. Now, what happens in general kind of rain is that the surface temperature gets hotter and the water gets evaporated, and then it cools off in the sky, become condensed, and the water particles come down as a rain. But in this case, what happens is that a heavy rain with a heavy gust and hail formed on Canada on 30th June, and water came from the sky, which visually looked like a waterfall coming straight down from the sky to a particular area, which was though visually very scenic, but it was very rare incident to some people. Now I will try to explain it in a very shorter duration of time. In this case, what happened is that when the water got evaporated from the surface, it got up and it got cooled off and condensed. The water particle sizes became very micro, what is unusual to other time, and then it got very heavy in size that it became very unable to remain suspended for a longer duration of time. Thus all of the billions of water particles came down as a single thrust, which is called the downburst. What I would say, a downburst of rain is called when the water comes down from the sky straight like a vertical waterfall, and it hits the surface and flows out the other areas. And it is also called the microburst because the size of the particles of this rain is very small, thus it is microburst. And generally this microburst and downburst term is termed to certain type of rain which confined to smaller areas like less than 2.5 miles of areas, and it stays for a shorter duration of time like a few minutes only. And this type of typically and strange incident took place on 30th January in Canada, which was though visually very scenic, but it was an unusual phenomenon. Stay tuned with us for this kind of more information and videos. Bye bye.